Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. Can you see my chest? What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I am back with another video. We are in a serious time right now with this COVID-19 virus, and for the most part, a lot of people don't want to go outside. So I'm trying to put together some ways that you could possibly make some money from home. So let's get straight into that. Wait, before we get into that, I do want to say this is a serious virus and I think everyone should take it seriously. I don't feel that everyone should go crazy out of pocket and get crazy with stocking up on stuff that they don't need, but I do feel like we should definitely take it serious. So I have a list of some things that could possibly make you money while you're at home. Before I get into those, I will say a few that you can do outside of your house. So the first one I would say is you could do Instacart or Uber Eats. Now Instacart, that is for grocery. Uber Eats is, everybody know what Uber Eats is, so I don't need to explain that. But Instacart, only certain grocery stores have it. You shop for people who need groceries and then you deliver it to their door. You make a good amount of money for that. You do need a car for it, just to let you know. If you don't have a car, then it doesn't work. Side note, if there's any old people that you know in your area that doesn't have family looking after them, please reach out to them, make sure they're okay, see if they need any groceries. Just do that for me. Thank you. Okay, cool, great. Now, so Instacart and Uber Eats is one. As of when I'm making this video, that is still allowed. Deliveries still can happen from fast food restaurants to grocery stores. So go and try to do that. Moving on. Unsubscribe to anything that you no longer need. Any subscription that you no longer need or it's not a necessity, unsubscribe from that. I was going to do that with Planet Fitness, but they sent me an email saying that when they're closed, they'll charge you for the month, but when they open, you'll get the credit. So I didn't have to unsubscribe from that. But anything else that you don't need, please unsubscribe, because you could be saving a few dollars from that.
Dash money.
So next is a social media coordinator. So social media coordinator that helps implements and maintains a strong online presence, constructs smart marketing strategies through social media. If you know how to have a pop-in Instagram, a pop-in YouTube, a pop-in Facebook, whatever it is, if you're good at that, you could possibly become a social media coordinator for somebody. If you like to review products, you can write a blog, you can use sponsored posts and affiliate links in your blog, and that can make you some revenue right there. Next is this one is called Ebates. Well, it was called Ebates, now it's called Rakuten or something like that. So this one, you basically shop like you normally would online, but when you use this either app or search engine, you can get cash back. So I use this all the time. My coupon code will be down below if you want to use it. I get maybe a few dollars if you do use my link, so I appreciate it. And if not, you can go on your own and just do it. You could get cash back at Walmart, Sephora, Amazon. There's different amounts of cash back. So there's different stores. Like I think Target might be 1% cash back. Amazon might be like 3% cash back. So yeah, so you basically shop and you still get money back from doing something that you was going to do anyway. So yeah. Next, you can do tutoring via FaceTime, or you could do it in like a chat, or you can actually sign up for a place online to tutor people. But if you don't want to do that, you can ask somebody, you can put out your services to your social media and say, hey, I am a tutor. I teach XYZ. This is my rate. Or when people hit you up, you can tell them your rate on the low. You can do tutoring to kids because people are out of school. So some kids need that extra tutoring, or some parents don't want to homeschool their kids or don't know how to. So you can always do that. Next is you can sell your clothes. You can sell your clothes. I'm selling my clothes on Poshmark. I still didn't update everything. So you can sell your clothes on Poshmark, eBay, what is there? Amazon, Craigslist. You can sell your clothes. You can sell your old electronics. You can make and sell your DIYs. All of that. Do that. So next is a virtual assistant. That, there's a website for it. There's 3 that I have written down. I'll put it down. I haven't checked it out yet, but I know Indeed.com. I've definitely been on Indeed before, but they can help you with your website. They can help manage like personal tasks, different stuff like that. I'll put it here because I'm not going to go fully into it. But also another place that you can sell your services is Fiverr. I haven't went on there yet. I would like to go on there because I do want somebody to do some graphic designing for me. So on Fiverr, you can sell anything from graphic designing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music, audio program and application development, business services and lifestyle services that include anything from celebrity impressions to gaming. So it has a whole array of things that you could promote. You can look for unclaimed money that you might be owed. I did that once before for my father. Or was that on a movie? No. I did it before. He had some unclaimed money that he had to claim. So you can go do that. You can do online surveys. That is time consuming, a little bit annoying at times. But you can try that, see if that works for you. There's Google Opinions Rewards. I haven't tried that yet, but I did look it up, and you only make a little bit of money, but it adds up. So you'll get like 25 cents here, you'll get $1 here, you get 30 cents depending on what you review or what you answer. Like some surveys are longer, some surveys are like short, like one question from what I've seen. But that's gonna take time. But if you're not doing nothing anyway, why not do it while you're not doing nothing? There's also TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is for people who don't mind going outside right now. You can do things like delivery service, home repair, general cleaning, furniture assembly, helping moving, helping lifting, spring cleaning, personal assistance, yard work, waiting in line for somebody. I wouldn't do that, but I've heard of that before. People get paid to do that. Organizing closet, organizing different stuff and researching different things. That's TaskRabbit. Also, there's ways you can get money from your receipts from things that you already bought. Like, I used to use Receipt Hog. I never did cash in money because I always ended up deleting the app because I needed room for my videos or whatever. 2 quick things before the last one I did. I forgot to add buy and sell stocks as well as video FaceTime cooking lessons. That might be a thing because not everybody knows how to cook, and that definitely might help somebody out in this quarantine. So think about that. Cool. And last I have is Cash for Diabetics. It's a company that pays you up to $30 for unused diabetic test strips. So you can also do that. So that's it. What I have for today. This is the time that you should definitely keep your faith in God, and you should be praying for you, your loved ones, for whoever. Definitely do that. And thank you guys for watching this. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.